Okay, here's a look at our old frame and why we're replacing it. Many of the joints have come loose. All right, let's finish the upholstery installation on the new frame. Okay, so let's wrap things up. It's really important when you're removing an outside back and trying to reinstall it that you really take your time and line it up properly, because if you don't, you can run into problems. If you're good at lining it up, you'll find that the tack strips will go in their original holes. And this one did on this side, but on the other side I had to move it slightly because the alignment was just a little off. And if it's too far off, you're going to see the holes exposed possibly from the tack strip. So that's why I say take your time, go slow. And a couple of final tips. If when you remove your tack strip on the side, the metal tack strip, it's damaged, you'll have to replace it. You can order it from the manufacturer or from an upholstery supplier online. Some of them will come with a plastic protective coating that helps soften the edges where it wraps around the fabric panel. But that's not always used. It wasn't used on this back. As for the tack strip on the top of the outside back, it's usually just a paper tack strip that's very thin. I used something that's a little heavier. It's like a fiberboard tack strip, and I'm not sure if this product is still available. It's a little bit stiffer and firmer. But if not, the paper will work just fine.